Here's problem 21 from the 2019 AMC 8. What is the area of the triangle formed by the three lines? Y equals 5, y equals 1 plus x, and y equals 1 minus x? The choices are 4, 8, 10, 12, and 16. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's graph the three lines. The green line is y equals 5, a horizontal line. The orange line is y equals 1 plus x. And the teal line is y equals 1 minus x. Together they enclose a triangle. Now we find the corners of the triangle. The two slanted lines, y equals 1 plus x and y equals 1 minus x, meet where x is 0 and y is 1, giving the bottom vertex at 0, 1. The line y equals 5 meets y equals 1 plus x where 5 equals 1 plus x. So x is 4, giving the point 4, 5. And it meets y equals 1 minus x where 5 equals 1 minus x. So x is negative 4, giving the point negative 4, 5. So the base of the triangle lies along y equals 5, running from x equals negative 4 to x equals 4. That's a length of 8. The height is the vertical distance from y equals 1 up to y equals 5, which is 4. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. That's 1/2 times 8 times 4, which equals 16. The answer is 16. Choice E. The answer is 16.